Hi, I am Janet Munji, and today we are going to be discussing the pancreas, which is this elongated gland right next to the C-shaped beginning area of the small intestines, behind the stomach, right next to the spleen. The pancreas secretes a number of hormones. The first being the pancreatic polypeptides, which aid in influencing digestion and distribution of food molecules. It also produces somatostatin, which regulate the other endocrine cells of the pancreas. Most notably, it produces glucagon, which tends to increase blood glucose level by stimulating the conversion of glycogen to glucose in the liver. It also produces insulin, which tends to promote the movement of glucose and amino acids and fatty acids into the blood, from the blood into fat tissue cells, which helps in decreasing blood glucose levels. Pancreas contains 4 primary types of endocrine cells: alpha cells, which secrete glucagon; beta cells, which secrete insulin; delta cells, which secrete somatostatin; and PP cells, which secrete pancreatic polypeptides.